This is an Alberta emergency alert. Transportation has issued a dangerous highway conditions alert. This alert is in effect for parts of central Alberta. Severe winter weather conditions along Highway 2 from Leduc to Ponoka are impacting travel in both directions. Heavy snow, freezing rain and strong winds are causing dangerous driving conditions with zero visibility. Area highways and roads may be closed without notice. Snowfall will continue to move eastward today. If you are in the affected area, delay all non-essential travel until conditions improve. Use extreme caution when traveling on impacted roads and highways. If you are stranded, stay with your vehicle and wait for assistance. For emergency assistance, dial 911. Go to the 511 Alberta website for current road condition information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.